Hey everyone, today I'm sharing a few tips on how to capture the stunning northern lights with just your iPhone. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just want to capture this bucket list moment, your iPhone can help you get some incredible shots. First things first, you'll need a location with minimal light pollution, so find a dark, open area away from city lights. Apps like can help you track the northern lights and give you real-time predictions on where to see them. Once you're in a good spot, open your iPhone camera and switch to. This feature kicks in automatically when it's dark enough, but you can also manually adjust the exposure time for up to 30 seconds. The longer the exposure, the more vibrant and detailed your photo will be. Just hold still or use a tripod for the best results. Try adjusting your exposure by tapping on the screen and sliding the sun icon up to increase brightness. Also, if you have the iPhone Pro model, switch to the RAW photo mode in the camera settings. This gives you the highest quality images, which you can edit later to bring out those stunning colors. And there you have it. With a little patience and the right settings, you can capture the magic of the northern lights right from your iPhone. If you're lucky enough to see them, don't forget to put the phone down for a moment and enjoy the view too. Thanks for watching and happy stargazing.